Hello students, welcome to Priyanka's lectures. Today we will learn about core curriculum and hidden curriculum. Core curriculum. Core curriculum is that type of curriculum which consists of academic subjects, learning experiences which are common to all the students. All the students have some basic needs and some special needs. The basic needs are common to all the students. It means all students have some basic needs. Meeting these common needs is the main focus of the core curriculum. For example, in India, the subjects like maths, science, English, Hindi, social science are compulsory for all the students. All the students have to study all these subjects. Whereas the subjects like Sanskrit, French, German are optional for the students. They are not compulsory. Any interested student can opt for any of these languages. The compulsory subjects constitute the core curriculum. This is the definition of core curriculum given by Spears. According to Spears, the core curriculum can be defined as a provision for children of a common body of growth experiences, taking for granted that certain specific types of learning experiences are fundamental for all pupils. This means that a provision is made for the children. Which children? The children who have some common needs, and it is assumed that these children have some learning experiences which are common for all of them. Hidden curriculum. The term hidden curriculum was coined by Philip Jackson in the year 1968. It consists of behaviors, attitudes, and beliefs that students learn unintentionally and unconsciously. Students learn something without realizing that they are learning something. They learn things which are not actually taught in the school. The hidden curriculum is hidden because teachers, students, and parents are not aware of this curriculum. For example, being punctual in the school is not something which is taught through a curriculum. It is not written in any curriculum that the students have to be punctual in the school. The students learn this behavior because if they are not punctual, they might get some punishment or they might not be allowed to enter into the school. So this way they learn to be punctual in the school. Second example is making students learn some kind of a sports can be a part of the curriculum, but learning the team spirit is not something which is written in the curriculum. The students, while learning to play a game in teams, learn the spirit of sports and the team spirit. This is the definition of hidden curriculum given by Gerald in the year 2006. Hidden curriculum is an implicit curriculum. Implicit curriculum means that this curriculum is not written anywhere. It is not a formal curriculum. This curriculum expresses and represents attitudes, knowledge, behaviors which are conveyed or communicated without aware intent. Means that the students acquire some attitudes, knowledge, and behaviors without being aware that they are actually acquiring these things. They don't realize that they are learning new behaviors or they are getting new knowledge or their attitude is changing. It is conveyed indirectly by words and actions that are parts of life of everyone in a society. Whatever words and actions a teacher performs or the people in the society do, the students tend to learn from those actions. But those actions are not intended to teach anything to the student. Now, let's see how core curriculum is different from hidden curriculum. Core curriculum consists of subjects and learning experiences which are taught intentionally by the teachers, whereas hidden curriculum consists of lessons and learning experiences that are taught unintentionally by the teachers. Teachers don't intend to teach these lessons and learning experiences to the students. In core curriculum, the core curriculum is written as a document in an official manner and in a systematic way, whereas hidden curriculum is unofficial and is not written anywhere. Core curriculum is designed by experienced curriculum developers and administrators, whereas the hidden curriculum is not designed by any curriculum developer or administrator. Core curriculum consists of a group of subjects which are compulsory for all the students. The hidden curriculum does not consist of any subject. The core curriculum is taught by a teacher, whereas the hidden curriculum is taught by the school environment in which the student is learning the subjects of the core curriculum. Thank you. If you like my video, please hit the like button, share my video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.